Hello everyone and welcome back to another video at Lazi-Low Collectibles. And today I'm going to start Balazs's second car, which is a speedy Porsche Carrera 6, and this was made in Italy. Pretty nice model. I did look also on internet for some color combinations, and as usual this car is in pieces as well, so I don't need to drill this apart. The poles are pretty small, so I don't think I can drill into it, but I need to work on them a little bit because they're a bit longer, and I think he drilled them out. But apart from that, the body is pretty simple but pretty nice. I've got the windscreen, which is in one piece, just need a little bit cleaning, touching up and polishing up. I've got the interior, which is quite nice, and I've got the bottom as well. I've got the suspension and the two wheels. I love the wheels, actually, they're very nice. They're pretty nice. I don't think I'm gonna touch these because I like the color on these wheels. And I've got the base, which I think I'm gonna polish up. I'm not sure if I'm gonna paint this because this looks original. So let's get started, guys, and let's see where we end up with this model. So I've got the Porsche finished, so let me quickly show you guys what I've done. I've done a little bit update inside the interior. I did find a picture on internet, and that gave me a little bit help what to do with the color combination inside the cockpit. I've got the windscreen just touched up a little bit, wasn't too bad. I've got the base, which I repainted, and I put the wheels in position. I haven't touched the inside bit of the wheels. They were pretty good and I do like the color. So I just touch up the tires because they had some paint residue on them. And I've got the body, which I painted green, as I've seen one on the internet. The stickers were not planned first, so they were a last minute idea, but I do like them and I'm glad that I put them on. But funny enough, this one didn't want it to stick, so at the end I had to put a little bit, just a tiny bit of glue underneath. And I might have to do the same with this one as well. But apart from that, I think the body looks perfect, and I hope that Balazs will like this car as well. So I can't wait to put it together to see how does it look. So let's try. So guys, we got the Porsche finished, and I think it looks pretty good. I do like the end result. As you can see, it's completely refurbished. What I've done is I updated the tail lights, repainted the body, put these stickers on, updated the wheels and the base, and I think it looks pretty good. So guys, if you did like this restoration as well, please give me a thumbs up, and leave comments down below. What do you think of this restoration? And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and I hope that Balázs will like this car as well. Cheers, see you at my next restoration video. Take care, bye bye.